Tim here. It never ceases to amaze me how these wonderful spots just seem to, I don't know, appear when I need them the most. Places to camp. Yesterday, late afternoon, like many days, I was thinking, okay, where are we going to camp? And I keep an eye out as I'm riding down the highway for a good spot, someplace off the road, secluded, quiet, where I'm not trespassing on anybody's private property. And came across this big it's a nature habitat. There were signs on the road that said wildlife viewing, although I haven't seen anybody out here to view the wildlife, and it's a Saturday. But so I went down a road, and I made sure to look out for any sort of no trespassing, no camping, keep out signs. I did not see any, so went a little further and found this open spot. You still see the highway a little bit from here and hear it a little bit, but not as much as some campgrounds I've been at where you hear the traffic all night long. But this is a few miles south of the town of Ronan, I think it's called, in Montana. And it's just a beautiful day, sunny. Yesterday we had a little late afternoon shower, but today it's just nice clouds, huge mountains, still some snow up there, even though it's mid-August, and some of those mountains. But just a nice field. I had the tent set up. I've already taken it down and packed everything up. The dogs just loved it here. They've been running around, threw the ball for them a little bit. They've been laying around in the sun. Well, in the sun, and then they go find some shade to cool off, as you can see little Twinkie is doing. So today is Saturday, as I mentioned, my rest day. Just taking it easy. Probably going to get back on the road and just kind of cruise a little slowly. I don't want to stay another night here, and risk it, getting in trouble. So I'm going to go down the road and see what else I can find. Maybe a little town or another place to camp. But it is gorgeous out here. Just these wild areas. Cooper likes the grass. And when I'm out here away from everybody, I let the dogs off the leash. They go a little ways and then they'll come back, or if I call them, they'll come back. So they've been pretty good about that. Haven't worried about them taking off. So it's just a nice day. Hope everybody is doing well. I'm just making my way with the trike and surviving, and I'll have another update soon. There have been some changes, but I'll update everybody on a separate video for that. And I just hope you guys are doing well. Safe travels.